Welcome to the Fabulous. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button to get more fab videos. You've probably heard of Charles Dickens, one of the most prolific and successful writers in history. He was known in his time for having a unique habit, one with potential that scientists have only recently begun to fully understand. Every day he would write from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m., but the real progress in his creative process wasn't made until after he finished writing for the day. As soon as he finished the day's work, he would forget his troubles and take to the streets. Walking aimlessly, he would meander through London for 20 to 30 miles each afternoon, often returning well after dark. Sometimes he would end up so far from his home, he decided he would be better off switching directions to his country home in Kent, arriving there just in time for breakfast. During his walks, Dickens would think, not in a deliberate way. He didn't control it, but let his thoughts and ideas roam freely. This was incredibly productive and cathartic for him. He was not unique in his desire to move and use movement in this way. Aristotle, Henry David Thoreau, John Muir, and Ludwig van Beethoven all enjoyed the immense benefits of daily walks. That is why today's lesson will focus on what happens to your mind when you walk daily. So what is the power of a daily walk? Does it extend beyond physical benefits? You've probably been in a situation before where the wisdom of a quote or the depth of a metaphor struck you deeply. However, whatever realization came out of this would quickly disappear when your focus slipped and you were distracted by more mundane things. All those beautiful quotes you have read exist in your mind for mere seconds without having the chance to impart their wisdom to you. Reading or hearing wise words without consciously reflecting on them and giving them some meditative introspection is equivalent to reading hastily. You jump from one book to the next without taking the time to ponder and absorb what you've just learned and felt. This kind of superficial experiencing might be entertaining, but it doesn't lead to personal change. How can you really imprint and integrate the lessons from daily life into your mind? There is one effective route you can take. Ponder these lessons in a threefold way: verbally, in writing, and in mental reflection. You could choose one approach or combine all three for maximum effect, and do this as often as possible. This creates a tangible, active, and intentional process. Set aside some time every night for relaxation and reflection on the day. It's time to put this into action. You're going to focus on mental reflection by walking. Towards the end of the day, for the next 5 days, go on a walk for 20 minutes. During the walk, allow your thoughts to flow freely for a while. Then consider what has come up in your mind. Reflect on the important things that happened throughout the day. Analyze what you learned and how you can apply it in the future. Not a day will go by in your life devoid of some new, useful information you could use to improve every coming day. This is the time to internalize those lessons. Find the beauty in the trees, flowers, grass, and sky. This will help you unwind the day's stress and consolidate the day's lessons subconsciously. You don't even have to be thinking about anything in particular to benefit from these daily walks. Thanks for watching. Until next time, good luck.